Middle of the week, but it feels like play. Flip the shelf, wow, new toys today. What's new Wednesday? Turn the page, come see. Gijoe, yeah. Wild schemes on your screen, action figures, clothes, and GI customs in view. What's new Wednesday? All this new just for you.
Hey guys, GI Customs here. I know I've already done this once on a Friday, but I kind of merged all these Universal Police lights together. A little crammed in here this morning into the frame because I want to make sure you see everything. Like I said, I did a quick one on Friday a couple weeks ago when these first launched, just because I wanted to make sure everyone knew how they went on. But we're going to go over them again. I've got a couple different of the options this time, different light colors and things like that. And they've been up for a little while, so a few of you guys might already have them. But I want to make sure I go over them for everybody, show a couple different things. So without further ado, these are the Universal Police lights. So this one happens to be the clear, crystal clear with the red and blue in there. Before anybody asks that maybe hasn't already seen these do not light up. But if you shine a light through them or something like that, they do look pretty nice. They attach with magnets, which is really cool because you can put them on basically anything. So you put the bottom piece on the inside, top piece on the top, and it will attach through the plastic roof, which is really nice. Makes it not permanent that way. You can take these on and off, switch them out, make sure you get the one you want or on the vehicle you want, or switch them out for different photo shoots or anything like that. And they stay on. I mean, if you run this down the stairs or something, I suppose it's going to come off. But outside of that, on a shelf, putting in a photo shoot, rolling around outside, anything like that, they are not coming off. They're not moving on you or anything like that. But they are still loose enough that you can move them back and forth to get them straight, get them centered, stuff like that. So really nice. The big ones, I know I've gotten some feedback that it's too big on the Stinger. I think you disagree if you see it in person. Some videos make it look a little bigger than others, or some pictures, but it's really not too terrible. Maybe just slightly oversized. That being said, the roof of the Stinger is actually really narrow. I think if this was a real car, you'd be sitting like this as you're in it. But so it's a little narrow, but then it also, I made it bigger to make sure it fit on Valiverse Vanguard here. So this one's got all the extra kits from Valiverse on there, the doors and the windshield and the extra kit up front. But I wanted to make sure it still looked good on this as well, and I think it fits on this really well. So maybe a little slightly oversized on the Stinger or Vamp, but again, that narrow roof helps with that illusion. But it fits really well on this and Ramen Racer, Ramen van, Econoline van or Econo van. It'll look real close to that on here as well. I don't have one of those to show, or I would, maybe in the future. But fits on everything. Like I said, those magnets, make sure that it's on there tight, and universal. So if you want to do a shoot or something with the Vanguard, but then wanted to switch over, you don't need to buy extras. You don't need to drill holes or put glue or anything on your vehicles, which is really nice because then you can just switch them out. So along with that, those are, like I said, the clear magnets. Magnets are great until they're not. But the clear red and blue, this one is the smoked all reds. You can go with more of a fire theme if you want to do something for your fire guys. All red smoked, and then I also have the red and blue smoked. I really like the smoked personally. I think it gives that kind of Night Force look to it, maybe, or just darker on some of these more military vehicles. And then on this one, that middle is going to drop off. This one's got no red or blue paint in it at all. Just a smoked clear, so real good for, again, Night Force would be really good for that. Anything you don't want to show that, where some of the more modern vehicles, real police cars, don't have the real bright red and blue until the lights are on. So could go for that look, which is really cool. So it's something different. And you can order any three of those combinations in smoke or the crystal clear is what I call it, because that's clear too. So crystal clear will be without the smoke, so not like a tinted black. So both have been ordered, both have been popular. About a week later, I also came out with, I called it the dome light. So it's hard to see. I'll try to put a picture up in here. It actually has a piece on the inside that if you take one of these real ones apart, it spins. So it's got two bulbs kind of in there, and then it doesn't actually spin, but it looks like it. So you can actually see through this and see that part, which is really cool detail I was able to put in there. And then these work identical to the other ones. So put this one on top, one on the bottom, and once again, other than the piece from that fell off in there when I took it off, no moving around, anything like that. And you can then move that to one side if you want it on one side. You can even add a second one, which is kind of cool. I think I have one of those pictures up there as well. So you could have two on there if that's the look you're going for, kind of an old school. I will be doing some different variations in the future of the big ones, maybe an 80s version, more boxy, stuff like that, give you guys some different variations to do. But the bubbles are up there on the site, as well as the universal bars. Again, you can put, sky's the limit on these, as long as it's got some kind of roof, you can put these on there. It'll go through any plastic that I've tried so far, as long as it's just a roof. It goes through that no problem and holds on. I have not tried it on any die-cast cars, though I would assume maybe you don't even need one part of it at that point. You can just stick them on in its magnet. Even RC cars, I could see that being an option. I haven't tested it to see how well it stays on. A lot of our RC cars have real thin bodies because they're light. I'm not sure that might help the magnets, or it might make it slicker and they might fall off, but they would definitely go on. It's a matter of how well they would stay on, but you could do that as well, especially for pictures. They'd still be great for anything like that. So make sure to go on the site, grab some of those guys. Not too expensive. The bigger ones are, I think, I want to say 35. There's just a lot of work that goes into that. The magnets, the clear resin. It is painted on the inside is how I do the red and blue. So I paint it on the inside. You don't have to worry about it ever scraping off or scratching off or anything like that. The silver is painted on the top. So that could scratch off if you're that rough with it, but for display or photos or anything like that, you're not gonna have to worry about that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for everyone who's already purchased any of these. Hopefully a few of you guys had some of your questions and stuff answered through this. If not, let me know in the comments below, and let me know if you've got questions or ideas or anything like that. I'd love to hear it. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, or become a member for some behind the scenes member only. Thanks, guys.
Middle of the week, but it feels like play. Flip the shelf, wow, new toys today. What's new Wednesday? Turn the page, come see. Yeah, Joe, yeah. Wild schemes on your screen.